Hello homies, welcome back. Today I'm going to experience with two very famous fast food in Sri Lanka. It's called kottu and I'm going to experience with you today. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how it's made and I'm going to experience with you how it tastes. So actually this is cost around under 1 USD. In Sri Lankan rupees, it is around 27 to 60, but I have 50 discount, so I got 210 for those two packets, right? So let's go and see how it's made, and I think you would love this video if you hope to travel in Sri Lanka. So this is one of favorite dish in Sri Lanka because of Sri Lankans have few type of uh, mm, dish. Actually, in this playlist and in this category, we are going to experience about Sri Lankan food and other stuff. You can check our channel and our channel playlist. It has so much. We have divided it to four items: travel log, food and drinks, and documentaries and events about Sri Lanka. All the stuff around Sri Lanka. So I hope our channel will be helpful for you to if you hope to travel in Sri Lanka because of all detail, all information you can take from our channel. So any if you want to know anything about Sri Lanka while traveling now before you travel, you can drop a message for our WhatsApp number. It is on our channel description. So let's go for video how it's made first, right? So next after that I will explain you about the taste, how it's taste, uh, right? Oh, this is the things what I'm going to make today, right? Okay, homies, let's see what's in my hand. Actually, I got one pack from two, and you need this type of things, and you need two pots like this, and you need some things like that, and hot water, and just we see what is inside, right? So let's go and see what is inside first, and we will start. And let's see what is in the pack. Okay, I'll open it. You can see I will put it to here. Okay, and yeah, you can see some two flavors here. Two flavors, and I'll put it here, and so then I will put hot water until the until that noodles uh, fully uh, fully covered like that. So after, and let's see, and I want to put it on at around 2 minutes like that. So after 2 minutes another part will continue. So let's see but how it's make and how it's do. Yeah, waiting my 2 minutes, and here is the guy who behind the scene. He is the cameraman today, so he's helping me to my camera work, and he's a nephew. Actually, he's my nephew, and he's doing a good jobs for helping me. I think it is now good. I think it's already good cooked. So then let's try on it, and I will put camera and I will give the camera to nephew here, and okay, I'll take it. Now I think after 2 minutes I'm gonna uh, remove the hot water from here, and you can see I will put hot water to here, right? And just try how it's okay. Actually, it's really bit difficult because of I'm not good at cooking works. This is my first cooking class, right? So just try. Okay, you want to remove in such a way. Okay. Mm, this level now, and you can get that here, brother. I think it's very good. And we have some of water here, so you want to remove all water. Anyhow, I think this is good level to eat now. After after 2 minutes like that, we can take it out. Let's mix these flavors, right? Then this is the last things you want to do for this for to cook this. So let's try. I think there are some vegetables like carrots, leeks, and something like that. Also, there is some uh, oil. I don't know what it is, but I think this also some flavors which is using for this one. Okay, I will put all the stuff together, and after that, the final things what I want to do is mix mix all this stuff together like this way, and let's see how it looks. The mix. Okay, I feel some good onion smell. I think that type of vegetables on that flavor, and it is it bigger after get some moisture. You can see some of carrots. You can see. I think it is come from that flavor. Anyhow, let's try it. Yes, I will. Yeah, I'm not good at to cook, but I think I'm good at to cook. So make such kind of fast food because of yeah, it's a very short things to do. It's the reason. Okay, let's try on it. I think it's already mixed well for each, and let's go and see. Okay, this is it's going on, and I will put it here. Let's look at that here. After yeah, it looks like good. Okay, how it's to cook, and I think it's ready to eat. I think their mom must be greedy, right? Try on check. Okay. Okay, this is my cooking works. Anyhow, mm, let's go and taste it. Here, let's try on this and let's try how it tastes. I think it looks very good. Let's try one time. Okay, I'm going to try this one. It's real good. Actually, I think it's really very good taste because of if you try to if you like to try this kind of fast food in Sri Lanka, I think this is good fast food. You want to try this because of its taste is very good, very. Actually, it's very balanced, salt and chili taste. So I think this is not much spicy. Also, I think it's good taste to have if you travel in Sri Lanka. So I think I'm gonna eat all the things here. Yes.